Let's now discuss about some dietary supplements that fulfills the body nutritional deficiency and creates new hair follicles and even strengthens the root of the existing hair, and then some external products that protects the hair and provides hair nourishment. As I mentioned before, 95% of the hair is made up of protein, which is known as keratin. A person should take 1 gram of protein per day of body weight on a regular basis. Taking the recommended serving in adequate amount is very important as body cannot store protein. Lack of protein in the diet results in malnourished hair, finally leading to hair loss. I have made a detailed video on protein. I am leaving the link in the description box. Do watch it for complete info. The next product is very important and specifically focused on stimulating the keratin production and increases the rate of follicle. Biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin, also called vitamin B7. Chicken liver, whole eggs, roasted peanuts and almonds, and sunflower seeds are a few natural sources of biotin. Brittle and thin fingernails, hair loss are signs of biotin deficiency. Neutralite biotin contains an amino acid L-cysteine that promotes the formation of keratin, and it has many other ingredients that support skin and nail nourishment. Have you ever wondered why men and women living in coastal areas have good quality of hair in general? The reason being their food habits of intaking omega-3 rich fish oils. It provides essential nutrients to hair follicles and prevents hair follicle inflammation, a factor that can directly contribute to hair loss. Please do watch my video on omega-3 and its benefits. I am leaving the link in the description box as well. A good multivitamin supplements the overall dietary gaps. It provides 23 vitamins and minerals, out of which vitamin C, D, E, B complex, zinc and niacin that enhances hair health and growth. I have made a complete video on vitamins and minerals. I am leaving a link. Do watch that as well. Now let's talk about some products that can be externally applied on the hair or scalp to nourish and protect the hair. Satanic Scalp Tonic promotes the growth of thicker, fuller looking hair and a healthy scalp. Specially selected blend of moisturizers helps to reduce flakes from dry scalp, leaving it feeling refreshed and comfortable. Infused with a blend of shisho extract, licorice root extract, saw palmetto and green rooibos, this customized formula helps refresh the scalp and strengthens fine, fragile hair to create fuller looking hair. One can maximize results by applying directly on the scalp twice a day. Satanic Revitalizing Hair Mask uses a patented Energy technology that helps repair and deep condition all hair types, especially stressed, damaged or color treated hair. It works together with Glossy Repair shampoo and conditioner to help repair split ends, restore softness and make damaged hair up to 6 times stronger. A good hair oil conditions the hair so they can look good and nourished. We can use amla oil to darken the hair, coconut oil to strengthen the hair and olive oil to make it glossy. Using a mixture of these 3 oils will stop premature graying. Regular use may prevent dry scalp too. A good shampoo and conditioner needs to be used to maintain a clean and healthy scalp. All the Satanic shampoos use patented Energy technology along with vitamin E. You can select a shampoo targeted towards the hair problem that needs to be solved, like hair fall, dandruff, dull and damaged hair. The 2-in-1 shampoo is for normal hair. Along with Energy technology and vitamin E, it contains extract of borage seed oil. This oil is quite expensive due to its nourishment and healing properties for the scalp. But here we get the benefits in a shampoo along with cleaning and conditioning of the hair. The extra botanical extract in anti-dandruff shampoo is avocado. The customized formula helps scalp moisturize while helping relieve dry, itchy scalp and eliminate flakes. The anti-hair fall shampoo has extracts of mulberry leaf and ginseng. This combination helps create fuller looking hair while reducing the breakage of fragile, fine or thinning hair. The ginseng also exfoliates the scalp. The Glossy Repair shampoo contains a blend of pomegranate and grape seed extracts. This formula not only helps to rejuvenate dull and dry hair but also helps to keep hair color truer and longer. Now talking about specific hair conditions, for premature graying of hair, we need protein powder, biotin, multivitamin and salmon omega to nourish the hair from inside. And we need amla oil, coconut oil, olive oil and scalp tonic to be applied externally to take care of the color pigment of the new hair. For hair fall and new hair growth, we need protein powder, biotin, multivitamin, salmon omega and anti-hair fall shampoo plus conditioner to strengthen the roots of existing hair, and scalp tonic and revitalizing mask to promote new hair growth. For itchy scalp or dandruff, we need protein powder, biotin, multivitamin and salmon omega to nourish the hair from inside, and anti-dandruff shampoo and revitalizing mask to remove the flakes and keep the scalp healthy. For split ends, dry and dull or damaged hair, we need to nourish the hair with protein powder, biotin, multivitamin and salmon omega, and Glossy Repair shampoo, revitalizing mask, the combination of oils and scalp tonic to make the hair fuller, glossy and healthy. I would like to end my talk by sharing some natural remedies for optimal hair care. We can cut back on using hair gels, blow drying the hair and brushing the hair when it's wet. Reduce stress by doing at least 150 minutes of moderate to intense exercise per week. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water per day to keep the hair hydrated. And follow a healthy, nutrient-dense diet to fulfill the daily nutrient requirements. Hair problems may differ from person to person and any one solution might not work for everybody. So, if you have any specific queries, you can WhatsApp me on my number given in the description box. Hope you liked my video and found it informative. Thanks for watching and bye for now.